We'll go over the Microsoft Azure certification test in this video and present useful information to assist you to decide on a career path. Microsoft offers 3 certification paths for a variety of technical jobs. To gain certification, you must complete a series of exams. And the first one is Fundamentals Certification. These certifications are suitable for those who are just getting started in technology or considering a career shift. Second is Role-Based Certification. To begin acquiring valuable job role abilities, choose a role-based certification. Third is Additional Certification. Examining Microsoft Office technical qualifications as well as Specialist and Microsoft Certified Educator certifications. Now in each category, we have sorted the certifications for your better understanding. In the first category, Fundamental Certification, are Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals, Microsoft 365 Certified Fundamentals, and Microsoft Certified Power Platform Fundamentals. In the second category, role-based certifications are Microsoft 365 Certified Security Administrator Associate, Microsoft Certified Azure Developer Associate, and Microsoft Certified Dynamics 365 Sales Functional Consultant Associate. And in the third category, additional certifications are Microsoft Certified Azure for SAP Workload Specialty, Microsoft Certified Educator, and Microsoft Office Specialist, Microsoft Word Expert. So let's start with the first one, Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals. The Azure Fundamentals certification allows you to demonstrate that you understand cloud concepts, Azure services, Azure workloads, Azure security and privacy, and Azure pricing and support. Candidates should have basic understanding of technical fundamentals such as networking, storage, computation, application support, and application development. Candidates for the Azure Fundamentals certification should have a solid understanding of cloud services and how Microsoft Azure deliver them. This certification is for applicants who are new to Azure or who are just starting to work with cloud-based solutions and services. Moving ahead, let's look into its skills requirement. Describe cloud concepts, describe core Azure services, describe core solutions and management tools on Azure, describe general security and network security features, describe identity governance, privacy and compliance features, and describe Azure cost management and service level agreements. This certification is suitable for job roles like administrator, business user, developer, student, technology manager, and its exam code is AZ900. Price of this examination is $99 and the renewal time is 2 years. Coming to the next one is the Microsoft 365 Certified Fundamentals certification. It verifies that you are familiar with Microsoft 365 feature and benefits, as well as the advantages of using cloud services, the software as a service, cloud model, and the Microsoft 365 cloud service. These are the skills required to earn this certification. Describe cloud concepts, describe core Microsoft 365 services and concepts, explain security, compliance, privacy, and trust in Microsoft 365, and describe Microsoft 365 pricing and support. This certification is apt for job roles like business user and administrator, and the exam code for this examination is MS900. The examination fee is $99 and the renewal time is 2 years. Next is Microsoft Certified Power Platform Fundamentals. If you're a student, a business user, or a new technical professional, using your Microsoft Power Platform skills to better your team's efficiency, this certification can help you advance your career. To prepare for it, you only need a basic understanding of computer technology, data analytics, cloud computing, and the internet. Consider a fundamental certification the initial step towards expanding your skill set and moving on to more advanced certifications like Microsoft Power Platform Functional Consultant. And the skill set required for this certification are describe the business value of Power Platform, identify the core components of Power Platform, demonstrate the capabilities of Power Platform, describe the capabilities of Power Apps, demonstrate the capabilities of Power Automate, demonstrate the business value of Power Virtual Agents. This certification is perfect for job roles like business user, functional consultant, student, and its exam code is PL 900. The examination fee for this exam is 99 USD and its renewal time is 2 years. Now let's dive into the second category, which was role-based certification. The first certification exam in this category is Microsoft 365 Certified Security Administrator Associate. Microsoft 365 Security Administrators protect Microsoft 365 enterprise and hybrid environments by proactively securing them and implementing and managing security and compliance solutions, responding to threats, and enforcing data governance policy. This exam assesses your ability to use Microsoft 365 to implement and manage identity and access, threat protection, information security, and governance and compliance features. The skills required for this certification are implement and manage identity and access, implement and manage threat protection, implement and manage information protection, manage governance and compliance features in Microsoft 365. Now, this certification is perfect for the administrator role, and its exam code is MS500. Its examination fee is 165 USD and its renewal time is again 2 years. Then comes Microsoft Certified Azure Developer Associate. Candidates for the Azure Developer Associate certification should have experience designing, developing, testing, and supporting Microsoft Azure cloud applications and services, participating in all aspects of cloud development from requirements definition and design to development, deployment, and maintenance, as well as performance tuning and monitoring is part of its role responsibilities. Now, the skill set essential for this certification are develop Azure Compute Solutions, develop for Azure Storage, implement Azure Security, monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize Azure solutions, connect to and consume Azure services and third-party services. Now, this certification is for a job role like developer, and its exam code is AZ204. Its examination fee is 165 USD with the renewal time of 2 years. Moving on, next is Microsoft Certified Dynamics 365 Sales Functional Consultant Associate. This certification could help you advance in your career if you're a functional consultant, a Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales professional, or a developer wishing to improve your consulting skills. It enables you to better pitch yourself for projects and demonstrates to your company how Dynamics 365 sales can be used to empower salespeople. You have expertise with Microsoft Power Platform and are familiar with Dynamics 365 model-driven apps and data modeling techniques as a candidate for this certification. For this certification, skills required are perform configuration, manage core sales tables, configure additional tools and services, configure Microsoft Dataverse, create apps by using Microsoft Power Apps, create and manage Microsoft Power Automate, implement Microsoft Power Virtual Agent chatbots, integrate Microsoft Power Apps with other apps and services, and manage solutions. Now, this certification is suitable for the functional consultant profile, and the exam code for this exam are PL200 and MB210. The examination fee for this exam is 165 USD and the renewal time is 2 years. Now comes the third category, additional certification. And the first certification exam in this category is Microsoft Certified Azure for SAP Workloads Specialty. Architects or engineers with substantial experience and knowledge of the SAP system landscape and industry standards that are particular to the initial migration or integration as well as the long-term operation of an SAP solution on Microsoft Azure should apply for this certification, making recommendations on services and modifying resources as needed for optimal resiliency, performance, scale, provision, size, and monitoring are among the responsibilities of an architect or engineer for Azure for SAP workloads. Skills required for this certification are migrate SAP workloads to Azure, design and implement an infrastructure to support SAP workloads, design and implement high availability and disaster recovery, maintain SAP workloads on Azure, Now, this certification is perfect for job roles like administrator, solution architect, and its exam code is AZ120. Its exam fee is 165 USD with a renewal time of 2 years. Then comes Microsoft Certified Educator. The Microsoft Certified Educator (MCE) credential verifies that teachers possesses the global educator technology literacy competencies required to provide students with a rich, personalized learning experience. Educators in training, instructors at teachers' education colleges, and in-service educators all benefit from MCE certification. So these are the skills required: facilitate student collaboration, skilled communication, self-regulation, real-world problem-solving and innovation, facilitate student use of information and communication tools, and use ICT to be an effective educator. Now, this certification is suitable for developer and educator profiles, and its exam code is 62193. Its examination fee is 127 USD, and its renewal time is 2 years. Now comes the last but not the least one in this category, and it is Microsoft Office Specialist Microsoft Word Expert. Earn the Microsoft Office Specialist Word Expert certification to show that you have the skills needed to get the most out of Word. This credential demonstrates proficiency in the creation and management of professional papers for a variety of purposes and scenarios. The skills essential to gain this certification are manage document options and settings, use of advanced editing and formatting features, creating a custom document elements, and use advanced Word features. Now, this certification is suitable for job profiles like business users, and its exam code is MO101. The exam fee for this certification is 100 USD, and its renewal time is 2 years. So this was all about Azure certification path. Apart from this, not only will you need to learn how to design, manage, and protect Azure cloud systems in order to become certified and land a job, but you'll also need real hands-on experience.